Hi, I'm Josh McDonald. I'm a first year student at Open Window, and my subject choices are a combination of creative technologies and visual communication. So my experience so far has been one of a lot of hard work and a lot of time and effort put into the things we do. If you've got to make the time to do it. The difference from high school is you're not spoon-fed everything, and Open Window's a lot of work, but a lot of good work. There's been a big focus on concept development, and I feel like that at Open Window they've really nailed it there, because that sort of influences our designs completely, and without it our designs sort of fall flat. We've covered so many things. In fact, in this last year I think I've learned almost more than I could have during my high school career. We've learned things from all the programs we've learned, and the way we go about thinking about things is very different to how we were taught in high school, and we sort of see things more than subjectively. We start to look at things from the bigger picture. So there's a big objective focus on how we see problems and how we analyze it and how we solve them. In terms of lecturers, coming from an institute that I was previously at, my experience has been completely different, because it's a lot more intimate at Open Window, and they really focus on the individual student. You sort of get a lot of one-on-one with the lecturer, and a lot of these lecturers are willing to go, as long as you are willing as well, they're willing to go to the ends of the earth to help you. In my experience, a lot of the lecturers are really passionate about this subject, and that's what makes a difference at Open Window. You learn and you feed off of their passion for the subject, and it makes you a better designer for it. In fact, when I actually came to Open Window and I heard about interaction, at the time when I heard about it, there was no such thing elsewhere in the country, and it was the first of its kind. And when you see the work, you see the student work themselves, you really impress, and you kind of think, how can I ever get to that level? Even now, seeing second and third years work is really impressive, but in saying so, seeing from where we started to where we are now, it's like amazing. It's a huge jump. So the potential is definitely there. I think as long as you're willing to put the time in and work hard, and yeah, stuff. Any advice I'd give to anybody interested in a career in the creative field, who are interested in design or even film, come have a look, see what students are doing, come to the university and speak to people in industry, because they really know what's best. So with the combination of subjects that I had this year, which is interaction design, communication design, and 3D design, has sort of really prepared me and really made me realize what I want to do in my professional career going forth. The comm has taught me amazing design skills. We learn, in fact, even in 3D, we design skills and physical products, which is relatable completely in all aspects of design. And in terms of interaction, it's putting all those design aspects into a digital format. So at the moment, I think I'm sort of swaying towards interaction design to major in next year, but we'll see. Yeah, and thank you so much for your time, and the lecturers especially. Thanks for all the time you've invested in us and trying to make us better designers and people. I looked at the camera.